Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Story Time for the week of September 19th, 2021, Part 1. This week's theme is dogs. Dog's Colorful Day, a messy story about colors and counting by Emma Dodd. This is Dog. As you can see, Dog is white with one black spot on his left ear. At breakfast time, Dog sits under the table as usual. Splat! A drip of red jam lands on his back. Now Dog has 2 spots. After breakfast, Dog runs outside. He slips past the man painting the front door. Splish! His tail dips into the blue paint. Now Dog has 3 spots. Dog runs to the park and rolls on the grass. Squash! The grass makes a green stain on his white coat. Now Dog has 4 spots. Dog follows a little boy eating chocolates. Squish! The boy gives Dog a chocolatey pat, but no chocolate. Now Dog has 5 spots. A bee buzzes up to see what's going on. Swish! The bee drops yellow pollen as it flies by. Now Dog has 6 spots. Dog trots on through the park. Splosh! A drop of pink ice cream lands on his right ear. Now Dog has 7 spots. Time to go home. Dog runs up the street. Splash! A bouncing ball splatters Dog with gray mud. Now Dog has 8 spots. In front of the gate, Dog steps on a carton of orange juice. Splurt! A patch of orange appears on his leg. Now Dog has 9 spots. Dog races back inside the house and knocks right into Vicky. Silly Dog! Vicky's purple marker leaves a smudge on Dog's head. Now Dog has 10 spots. Vicky looks down at Dog. She counts his colorful spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vicky looks more closely. Dog has a red spot of jam, a blue blob of paint, a green stain of grass, a brown smear of chocolate, a yellow patch of pollen, a pink drop of ice cream, a gray splatter of mud, an orange splash of juice, a purple smudge of ink, and, of course, a black spot on his left ear. You need a bath, Dog. When Dog climbs into bed, he has just one black spot on his left ear. Good night, Dog. What a colorful day you've had. The end. For our craft, we're going to make a dot painted dog. And if you have a Craft-To-Go kit, you will have a clothespin with a cotton ball on it and the template of Dog from the story. And that's it. Ruff, ruff. And we're going to make him all spotted. He has his black spot, but we're going to give him the rest of the spots like he had in the story. And what I did was I took a cupcake pan that I got from Dollar Tree, and I put the rainbow colors in there of paint. So all you're going to do is dip, get it on there, and dot. And you got your spots. And we'll do an orange one, it's green, nice yellow. Now if you want, you can get your own clothespin and get different cotton balls for each color so they don't mix. But I kind of like the way they mix together, they look neat. So give them as many spots as you'd like. If you're going to try to spot his legs, you're going to need to put a piece of paper underneath because they're too skinny. But this is all you do. Got one on his ear. And got a nice purple one down here. And that's it. So you have your dot painted dog. And we'll see you for the next craft.